Very good morning, class students. Our running topic is mensuration. So, from the chapter, today I am going to explain 10.2 exercise problems. Listen well. A storage tank consists of circular cylinder. Here one tanker there. It consists one circular cylinder. With a hemisphere stuck to at two ends. So two ends, two hemispheres are there. If the external diameter of cylinder 1.4. So what is the diameter? D is equal to 1.4 meters. 1.4 you can write 1.4 by 10 is equal to 14 by 10. Is equal to 7 by 5 meters. Is equal to 7 by 5 meters. Next, length of the cylinder. Length is nothing but height of the cylinder. How much? H is equal to 8 meters. Find the cost of painting. He is painting to the tanker. You have to find the cost of painting to that cylinder at the rate of 20 rupees per 1 meter square. First, this is a combination of two figures. What are the cylinder and also hemisphere? First you take cylinder. What are the dimensions? First, diameter is equal to 7 by 5. Radius is equal to d by 2 is equal to 7 by 5 into 2 is equal to 7 by 10 meters. Radius of the cylinder is 7 by 10 meters. Similarly, height is equal to how much? 8 meters. Now, to find the surface area of the cylinder, I need curved surface area of the cylinder and also CSA of the hemisphere. Here, curved surface area cylinder. What is the formula to find that? 2 pi RH. 2 into, what is the value of the pi? 22 by 7 into. Radius 7 by 10 into. Height 8. 7 gets cancel. Next, 2 1s are 2 5s are. 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16 plus 176 by 5. 5 3s are 15. Remaining 2, 36. 5 7s are 35. 5 3s are 15, 2, 26. 5 5s are 25, 1. 5 2s are is equal to 35.2 meters square. What is the curved surface area of the cylinder? 35.2 meters square. Next I need CSA of hemisphere. What is the formula? 2 pi r square. 2 into, what is the value of the pi? 22 by 7. And that is a common radius. 7 by 10 into 7 by 10 into 7 by 10. It means 7 gets cancelled. 2 1s are 2 5s are is equal to 22 into 7 by 50 is equal to 7 2s are 14, 1. 7 2s are 14 plus 1, 154 by 50. 0 cancel, key point here. 5 3s are 15, 0. 5 8s are 40. 3.08 meters square. Curved surface area of the hemisphere 3.08 meters square. Now what I need? Total surface area of the tanker. Total surface area of the tanker is equal CSA of cylinder plus 2 into CSA of hemisphere Okay. Why I am taking two in cylinder there? Two ends, it have two hemispheres. Because of that curved surface area of the cylinder plus 2 into curved surface area of the hemisphere. What is the curved surface area of the cylinder? 35.2 plus 2 into 3.08. 35.2 plus 2 8s are 16. 1. How much it is? 6.16. 35.2 plus 6.16. Add that both. What do you get here? 41.36 meters square. Total cost to paint that tanker. Cost is 20 rupees per 1 meter square. So it is 41.36 into 20 rupees. Total cost required amount to paint that. How much? 872.2 rupees. So total amount 827.20 paisa. A sphere, cylinder, cone have the same base radius and same height. Find the ratio of their values. Solution. Here one sphere there and one cylinder there and one cone there. Let equal radius is equal to R. Then height of sphere. In sphere, height is nothing but diameter. So this is the height of the cylinder and this is the height of the cone. This is base radius, this is base radius, and also this one is also base radius. But in sphere, height is nothing but diameter. So it is also radius. H is equal to what we can write here? 2. Height of sphere is equal to diameter. In sphere, height is nothing but diameter. Diameter is twice to radius. Diameter is twice to radius. So what we can write here? Radius of sphere is equal to radius of cylinder is equal to radius of cone is equal to R. Why? Because they have equal radius. And height of sphere is equal to height of cylinder is equal to height of cone. H is equal to 2R. Why? Because they have equal radius and also equal height. Now what I need here? I need the ratios of their values. It means volume of cylinder east. Volume of sphere east. Volume of cylinder and volume of cone. I need the ratios of their values. Volume of sphere is volume of the cylinder and volume of the cone. What is the volume of the sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of the cylinder pi r square h. Volume of the cone pi r square h by 3. See here, 4 by 3 pi r cube. Pi r square h. H we can write 2r. Why? Because height is equal to 2r. Similarly, pi r square h we can write 2r by 3. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Pi r cube into 2. Pi r cube into 2 by 3. Pi r cube, pi r cube, pi r cube cancel. What is the remaining? 4 by 3 is to 2 is to 2 by 3. Here I am multiplying with 3. 3 cancel, 3 cancel. 2 1s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are. So what is the answer here? 2:1:1. 3 ones. So final answer 2:3:1. Ratios of their values is nothing but 2:3:1. A wooden plank was made by a scooping out a hemisphere from each end of the cylinder. Solution: here one cylinder there. So in that cylinder, two sides, two hemispheres are removed. Two sides, two hemispheres are removed. Now you have to find the surface area of this figure. What is the base radius here? R is equal to base radius R is equal to 3.5 centimeters. 3.5 we can write 335 by 10 centimeters. Similarly, height of the cylinder H is equal to 10 centimeters. Height of the cylinder H is equal to 10 centimeters. Now you have to find the surface area of the figure. See here, surface area given figure is equal to, it is a combination of two, cylinder and also hemispheres. Curved surface area of cylinder plus 2 into curved surface area of hemispheres. Curved surface area of the cylinder plus curved surface area of the hemispheres. See here, what is the formula to find curved surface area of the cylinder? 2 pi RH plus 2 into hemisphere 2 pi r square. So from this, what I am taking common here? 2 pi r I am taking common. So 2 and pi r and r common. H 2 and pi and r. So what is the remaining? 2r. 2 into pi means 22 by 7 into what is the radius? 35 by 10. H means 10 plus 2 into what is the radius? 35 by 10. Here 7 ones are 7 5s are 5 ones are 5 2s are 2 and 2 gets cancelled. What is the remaining here? 22 into here also 2 ones are 2 5 ones are 5 7s are 22 into 17. What is the product here? 22 into 7. It is nothing but 374 centimeters square. So surface area of the given figure is 374 centimeters square. So here is the homework template, students. A wooden plank made with iron, and it was made by scooping two hemispheres from two ends of the cylinder. And what is the radius of the cylinder? 40 centimeters, and also height of the cylinder 40 centimeters. Now we have to find the surface area of the remaining solid.